Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the restricted mode in your YouTube application. The restricted mode filters out the content that is possibly dangerous for some people. So let's see how to do this. So start by opening your YouTube application and then hit on to the profile icon at the bottom right. Then from here, simply go to the settings, and inside the settings, you need to click on the general option. From the general, you can see the option which says restricted mode. This helps to hide potentially mature videos. Although no filter is 100% accurate, this setting only applies to this app on this device. So simply turn it on by clicking on this toggle and you're all set to go. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.